got questions about PDUs for PMI, haven't you? I know you have. Well, I'm Jo from IT Pro TV, and I'm here to explain them to you, and hope sort of, wade you through some of that sticky mess that is surrounding PDUs. So what's a PDU? PDU is a professional development unit, and with your PMP, your Project Management Professional certification, you have to maintain a minimum 60 PDUs, or you have to achieve, rather, a minimum 60 PDUs in order to retain your PMP certification past the 3 years. So you've got 3 years to achieve 60 PDUs. And by the way, that's an ongoing requirement as well. So it's 60 PDUs for every 3 years. So what does that mean? I know you've seen this. It looks a little bit confusing, but actually it's not. It's really, really simple. Let's just take a look at, well, this for a start. This is our PMI triangle, our Project Management Institute triangle. And in that triangle, you will see that we've got 3 sections here: technical project management, strategic and business management, and you've also got leadership as well. If I jump back to this, you'll see that under education, under that particular column there, it's split into those 3 colors. Now, unfortunately, I can't blow them up anymore, but you can find this particular graphic absolutely anywhere, and I'm sure you've seen it. You have to achieve a minimum of 8 PDUs. That's a minimum of 8 PDUs from every single one of those 3 sides of that triangle. So a minimum of 8. Now, of course, you know that sitting a course will get you a certain number of PDUs, and that's how most people will actually gain those PDUs. Those development units actually sit in a course. There are lots of other ways of gaining PDUs, and participating in projects themselves and having somebody verify that particular project will help you again towards your PDUs. I can't tell you what each particular course will give you as far as PDUs are concerned. That's down to the PMI. They can actually help you with that. The Project Management Institute will advise you what PDUs are allocated to each specific course. You have to achieve, if I can bring this up, at least 35 PDUs from education over the period of 3 years. But you will notice that you also had on this particular slide, there on that right-hand side, you had giving back. What giving back means is that you have to be responsible and therefore gain PDUs for encouraging and mentoring others in their personal development as well. So you have to gain PDUs from things like volunteering or creating knowledge, from actually working as a professional, from teaching, from mentoring itself. Now again, the number of PDUs is going to be dependent on what it is that you've been involved with. I know that that's going to seem a little bit vague, but the PMI will be able to give you more information about what specific projects actually qualify for and how many PDUs they will give you. You can only get a maximum of 25 PDUs from volunteering or from creating knowledge like training courses or from actually giving training itself. You can only get a maximum of 25. That means you still have to further your own knowledge, and you have to have a minimum of 35 PDUs from education. So given that, you have to have a maximum of 25, you could, for giving back, you could only do 12 giving back, and you could do all of the rest of those 60 from education, from learning yourself, from professional development. That is entirely up to you. There is a flexibility about that, but you have to have a minimum of 35 when it comes to your education. You have to prove that you're learning yourself. Now, as always, I'm always here to answer any particular questions that you may have. But when it comes to questions about, specific volunteering opportunities, those are going to have to be directed at the PMI, and the PMI will be able to help you further. But for now, I've been Jo, a pro in the know from IT Pro TV, and check out our PMP offerings in our course library.